Hello, this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. We're at the Enclave. It's a brand new gated community here in Playa Avellanas, and I'm about to show you Unit A3. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me today. This unit is brand new. It just was finished. There is 11 units around this pool and there's 51 units in total. This unit is 1,507 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it has this amazing, beautiful tropical feel. This kitchen comes with GE profile appliances. It has more cupboards than I've seen in a condo, and it has a lot of counter space as well. I love the colors of the white and the wood look. The master bedroom is just off the living room. It has patio doors that take you out to the pool and has an ensuite bathroom that has a shower and also a bathtub. The guest bedroom has built-in closets, also has doors to an ensuite bathroom that you can access from the living room, and it has patio doors to take you out to this beautiful air in Costa Rica. The enclaves are covered by these beautiful tropical plants. These ones are called mouse's tails, and we've been watching as butterflies and hummingbirds zip out while we're making this video. There's a large area to enjoy outdoor living, and now we're about to check out the pool. There are 5 pools at the Enclave, and 11 buildings share this pool. What's great about this pool, it's got a lap section, it's got a great shallow end for kids, and it's got 2 jacuzzi tubs as well. It would be wonderful to enjoy at night just to watch the stars. Across from the street from the Enclave, there's a path to the beach, but this one is even more special. It's about 1 kilometer away, it's right beside Cabinetry Las Olas, and there's a boardwalk that takes you right to the beach. This is where all the surfers love to go. Come check it out with me. Playa Avellanas is a beautiful white sand beach. It's got 2 beachfront restaurants, Lola's and Paruja. It's great for surfers, it's great for sunbathing, it's great for some beach watching people and enjoying this beautiful life in Costa Rica. The Enclave is a beautiful spot to have as a vacation rental or to have as a permanent residence. It is pet friendly and it is kid friendly. They're building playgrounds and you have 24-hour security so you always know you're safe. You're also walkable to Playa Avellanas. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in Costa Rica, please check out my brand new website, flamingobeachrealty.com. Be sure to subscribe below to see more videos like this, and be sure to give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida. you.